Hello, in this mobile how-to video I'm going to show you how to turn off touch sounds on the LG G3. Now a touch sound is a noise that the phone makes every time you touch the screen. Now you just heard that little click. That is what we're turning off. Pretty annoying. So the way we do this is going into settings, then at the top of the display we tap sound, and then we scroll down to where it says sound effects. We give that a tap and we have three options. Dial pad touch tones, so that's the touch tones from the dial pad, which, let me just give you an example, it's this. So that's what that would be turning off. Let's jump back into where we just were. So to turn that off, we just tap that icon right there and that turns it off. But what we're wanting to turn off is touch sounds. So if I tap that, you will now see that clicking sound has disappeared. I can also turn on and off the screen lock sounds, which is a clicking noise when you lock and unlock the display. So to turn it off, you just untick it, and to turn it back on, you just tick it. That's how to turn off and on touch sounds on the LG G3.